Guys, it's a beautiful day here in Cleveland, and today I'm going to clean my car. It is a hot mess and it's the perfect day to do it, so let's get right into it. Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another video. So as you see, my car is a hot mess. I've only had this car for 4 months and I begged my husband for this. This is like my early push gift, and as you see, I have not been a great steward over it, so I am about to clean it up now. A bag full of trash bags. So my first step is going to be pick up anything that's big. Anything that's big that needs to be thrown away, I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to take anything that's important that needs to go in the house and put that in the house. So let's do this really quickly.
If I lost everything and didn't have anything, and you were the only thing, I still have everything. If I lost everything, yeah, and didn't have anything.
I'm good. I have everything that's going to go in the house and all the trash. So let me do this really quickly. All right. So everything is cleared out. Now all I got to do is get the scrubbing and cleaning and stuff.
It's so unusual, it's frightening. You see right through the mess inside me, and call me out to pull me in. You tell me I can start again, and I don't need to keep on hiding. I'm fully known and loved by you. You won't let go, no matter what I do. And it's not one or the other. It's hard truth and ridiculous grace to be known, fully known and loved by you. I'm fully known and loved by you.
Okay, so for the most part, everything is out of the car that doesn't belong here. Everything is vacuumed down. So my next step is just going to wipe down all cloth material with the awesome spray. That's going to give it a nice scent. That's going to get rid of some of these like milk stains or any type of stains that's here. And I think that's it. And anything that I couldn't pick up with the vacuum, I could just kind of dust it off or whatever. So let's do this. I got this handheld vacuum on sale during Christmas time at Kohl's for $20. I'll be using these disposable wipes to help me wipe everything down, furniture polish for the interior, and the Windex and awesome spray. The awesome spray worked really well with helping me get up those tough spots. I think my toughest spots were when Harris was on formula and milk, and it kind of stained a little bit. But the awesome spray really did a good job of picking everything up. It didn't cause any damage because it doesn't have any bleach. It's just an all-purpose cleaner. So, all right, so it's getting a little chilly out here. I need to take a break. I'm out of breath, but I just got to do this part still. So let me do the center console, and I'm low-key sleepy, but I'm gonna keep it. Almost done. I have wiped down everything, the front panels, everything on the doors. I've wiped these seats down. It's about as good as it's about to get right now. And now I'm just about to do the windows. So this vacuum isn't doing it for me like that. So I'm just about to like spot dust and just pull out as much dust as I can with my wipe.
Oh,
Okay.
this is pretty much brand new. He said they got it, they never use it, so I'm just gonna take this off and wash this.
Okay. That's what's up. I'm gonna put this out of the way. I wanna hear him say, well done. One time, one time. One time, one time. One time, one time. One time, one time. Ooh, I just wanna hear him say, well done. One time, one time. One time, one time. One time, one time. One time, one time. All I wanna do is hear you say it. One time. Write my name in the book, call me. One time. That's all I really need, just one time. I can't wait till I see you. One time. You gave me my gift, gon' have it back. You fill me with love, so I give it back to you. You gave me my husband, you know I love him, and I give him back, so you know I'm all in. Lord, take my children, my family. I want you to know that you're happy. I need to know that you're happy. Yeah, when I finally stop breathing. I wanna hear you say, one time, one time. One time, one time. One time, one time. One time, one time. Ooh, I just wanna hear. But yes, guys. Who is she? Yes. All right, guys. So thanks for watching this video. Give me a like. All right, that's too many. That's too many words. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. Peace out.